Hello, everybody. Good evening. We are going to talk very quickly about what's going on in the markets today because we just had a pretty decent sized run up over the past, 24 hours or so. And, there's been a slight pullback as that's exactly what crypto does. We go up, we go down, we go sideways, and we repeat the process. Right now, we're looking pretty healthy. People have been pretty freaked out, and I've been overlooking some of the commentary sections and social media things that I follow, and people are so apt to freak out a little bit when things go down. Listen, nothing goes up in a straight line. If it did, it would all come crashing down like a house of cards. So let's be happy, people, with what we're looking at today. We're going to digest a little bit of what I'm seeing and what I think is going to happen in the next couple days. So time will tell if I'm correct or not, but it's going to be interesting to see. What I see right now is a healthy Bitcoin. When the big daddy's healthy, the market's healthy. When we get huge pullbacks or crashes, flash crashes, whatever in BTC, the market goes down with it. BTC goes down 10, 12%. All coins can easily go down 25, 30, 40, 50%. That's just the way it is. So what we have to do is keep our eyes on the market and see exactly where the swings are happening. Right now, there's a little bit of momentum towards Bitcoin. So people are pulling from their investments and they're putting it into Bitcoin because they expect another run coming. I expect another run with Bitcoin. A lot of people I follow and trust expect another run with Bitcoin coming, and we'll see if that's exactly the case. But um, the good thing is in a bull market, everything can run together. You guys, there's going to be people pulling from the alts going into Bitcoin, and then when Bitcoin runs, they're going to go right back into some of these top tier alts, and then they're going to go down into some of the mid cap alts, and so on and so forth, trickling all the way down to the smaller cap alts, where personally I think a lot of gains can be made if you are invested in the right ones. But right now, what we're looking at is Bitcoin starting to build momentum again. It did cross 40,000 earlier today, and then it dipped back down to about 38,000. Looks like we're climbing back up. So I do expect Bitcoin to reach a new all-time high by the middle of next week. Today is Saturday, February 6th, and I think Bitcoin will cross over the 42,500 or so dollar mark, and the alts may stall a little bit, they may bleed a little bit, you might start to see a little bit of red, but don't panic. It's going to go into Bitcoin, and then it's going to start trickling back into the alts. Alt season is by no means over. I've seen that too many times today. I don't want to see that. I don't want to hear it. It's total FUD. It's not true. Don't worry, you guys. We actually really are in a healthy upswing. Look at these price charts. It's funny how Bitcoin and Ethereum seem to run so much together, and then it gets pretty wacky when you get down here. But today, what I really want to talk about is Cardano. Look, you guys, jumping into the number 4 spot. Yesterday, Cardano was at 54.5 cents. I made a pretty significant move out of some of my smaller cap alts into Cardano because I do expect the run up to continue. I do expect Cardano to get upwards of $1 by the end of this month, maybe even sooner the way it's going. Of course, people will be taking profits. There's a lot of people who have been holding Cardano for a very long time. I would be one of them at various price points of entry. But 82% is a pretty healthy pump for the past 7 days, 20% in the last 24 hours. You guys, this is going to continue. Cardano could hit new all-time highs. I think the all-time high was $1.33. I do expect to see that at some point pretty soon here, actually, with all the news coming out with Goguen coming and with Cardano. Hoskinson was hinting at a couple of secret things going on that he really couldn't disclose. I think they're going to be big. I don't think he talks about things lightly. I think he's a perfectionist, and I think he has been waiting for the right time to really talk about some of the things that are coming out that are going to make Cardano a game changer. So I'm loving what I'm seeing, you guys. This is very bullish. This is very healthy. The ecosystem's looking good. Binance Coin's making a run up. Some of the staples are holding the gains that they've made over the past couple weeks, which is also beautiful. We haven't seen any major pullbacks. Dogecoin just being the animal that it is. It's got a lot of backing from a lot of social media. I personally wouldn't really touch it. Not that I'm knocking it or anything. It's too volatile. I wouldn't go near it. But Look, people are making money. Hey, good. I'm glad to see it. I'm glad to see people make money in this business. I want everybody to win. It's not about us versus you or the way we think versus the way other people think. There's just so much tribalism and warfare. It's just ridiculous. There's plenty to go around for everybody, but starting to see Uniswap pull back a little bit from its all-time high. There's a lot of competition for Uniswap right now. SushiSwap is stepping it up. I know the gas fees are really high with Ethereum being out of control right now. Even what was the other one that was doing really well? PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap. I don't even know where it is on here. Probably breaking through the top 100, I guess. Um, it's done. Well, there it is. 91 PancakeSwap. $3.27. What a buy that would have been yesterday, guys. That's been up quite significantly over the past couple of days, looking 100% gains over the week. That's just absolutely amazing. Binance's version of basically a DEX, and I know it's limited with what you can buy on there, but DEXs are they're coming up, and you can't overlook the main exchanges because a lot of high volume is happening there because the Ethereum fees are absolutely ridiculous, but they'll come back down eventually. They're going to have to. Some sort of layer 2 solution will come through. I'm really hoping for XDAI, but XDAI seems to have taken a little bit of a dive today. I don't exactly know why, but overall, guys, we're looking good. Sleep well. Tomorrow's a Super Bowl. It could be a kind of a dead day. I think a lot of people are going to be doing things with their families or doing things with their friends. So maybe not too much movement tomorrow. But then again, this is crypto. We could go up by another $50 billion, or even down by another $50 billion. But like it, guys. I think Ethereum is holding strong. I think Bitcoin's looking good. We got a lot of tether being printed. That's always good. Now, especially now that tether FUD has been smashed. And let's go Cardano. Let's go. Let's get to $1 by the end of this month. That would make a lot of people very, very happy. So sleep well. Have a great night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.